Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? How are y'all guys doing? Okay, so today it's not a review or my recommendation kind of video. Uh, it is kind of a basic video, and I'm letting you know that what you are doing wrong in this winter and you should do in winter. I mean, you might have been done wrong these things, if that makes sense to you. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get jump into today's video. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you 6 points that you need to follow in this winter times. Yeah, it's only 6 points. Okay, so in winter, we often forget about drinking enough water. Uh, I don't know what we think. I mean, most of the time, we don't drink enough water and we end up in dehydrated skin. And believe me, if you are not drinking enough water, the toxins, it won't go away from your body. And with the lack of water, your skin, I mean, yeah, it won't be that glowy and hydrating. Basically, if you want to achieve glass skin, then your first agenda is to drink enough water. So if you can't make in winter, the drinking water scene, then you can buy this kind of bottle. This is Cello Ozone bottle, and it's a 1 liter bottle. So you can make a reminder kind of thing that I have to finish this water before 12, at noon obviously. And then you can again fill this bottle with water, and you can make an achievement that I have to finish this water within 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. And again you can fill this water and make a goal that I have to finish this within 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. And you can make some stickers here that I have to drink that amount of water in 1 hour, and then that amount of water in 1 hour. Yeah, it's up to you, but please just drink water. 3 to 4 liters of water you have to drink it. And if you can't make it, I don't know, drinking water is kind of a huge job, then you can eat some fruits that has waters in it, like cucumber or bananas. But one thing, that if you eat those things, there's a high chance that you end up with cold. So drink water. So my next point my point number 2 is, we think that the sun is here just in summer months, and in winter months it goes on a vacation and the sun is not here. But we see the sun is here. So UV radiation, UV rays, and the damage the UV radiation cause on our skin, it's here also. So we forget about applying and reapplying sunscreen. So we have to apply and reapply sunscreen in winter as well, because sun is here, so UV radiation is also here, baby. So please use SPF. And don't think that I've used kind of sunscreen and I don't need to reapply it because the sun is not that powerful. That means the UV radiation is not that powerful, but it's not true. If you are indoors, then at least reapply sunscreen twice, and if you are outdoors, then use it according to your necessity. It mentioned in the back that if you are in outdoors, then reapply sunscreen in every 2 to 3 hours if you are facing the sun. Okay, so yeah, this is my point number 2. And my point number 3 is that we don't know, because of the cold weather or something, we did not do, we often forget about doing our night skincare and morning skincare as well. Basically, we just splash water on our face and then we apply our toners and serums and SPF. But this is not the case. If you are not cleaning your face properly, then it doesn't matter what you apply on your face. It won't gonna work, because you have a layer of dust. And in winter times, I see that dust is, it's more than in summer times. Okay, so a layer of dust and invisible dust and pollutions are on your face, so you need to get rid of that thing. But don't use that kind of face washes that make your skin strippy and so dry. Don't use that kind of face washes. Use a hydrating kind of face wash. Like I've recently discovered it, and I've been watching this face wash in, I mean, most of YouTubers are using this. So here is the face wash. So I'll make a separate video about it, the face wash. It's Joy pH 5.5. Our skin pH is 5.5, and this face wash pH is 5.5. And after I bought it, I'm using this continuously. I mean, I have forget about my simple face wash. I'm only using this. It has mild fragrance, but it's so moisturizing. My skin doesn't feel itchy. I mean, I feel the same feeling after using my simple face wash when I use this. Despite the smell, but it's great. Yeah, so use a moisturizing kind of face wash. Try to use a gel based face wash which is, yeah, moisturizing. Don't use cream based face wash, because cream based face wash are often drying. Okay, so my point number 4 is there are some people they don't take bath regularly in winter times, but it's wrong. I mean, think that it's pandemic time. So no matter you are indoors or outdoors, you have to take a proper bath using some disinfectants or soap or body wash or shower gels or shower mousse or whatever you want to, but take a bath. But often we don't. I mean, there are some people, they don't do it properly. But if it doesn't matter if it's summer or winter, in winter times we tend to sweat. I mean, our underarms, yeah, it sweats. So where there is sweat there is bacteria. So you are sweating even after wearing a sweater, so there are bacteria into that sweat. So you need to get rid of the bacteria. So don't think that it's so cold today and I'm not gonna take a bath. No, you have to take a bath, because you have sweated in your underarms, so there are bacteria, and so take your bath. And especially if you are not using soap all over your body, then it's all right. You don't need to use soap all over your body every day, but make sure you use soap. I mean, not soap, I mean, I'm telling you soap, but make sure you use soap under your arms, because there are bacteria. Okay, so my point number 5 is taking a sponge bath. So if you are sick and not sick, I mean, yeah, I mean, if it's extremely cold and you have cold and you don't want to take a bath, but you are afraid of bacteria into your underarms, so you can take a sponge bath. So sponge bath is basically you take a cotton cloth or something, towel kind of thing, and then you soak it in the water, and then you wipe your body with this. So this is called a sponge bath. So you can take a sponge bath if it's extremely cold, I mean chilly, the weather is extremely chilly, so you can do this. Yeah, you can do this. So my point number 6 is that in winter times our scalp, it becomes more oily. I don't know because of the dandruff or not, and it becomes so rough after 3 or 4 days after shampooing. So we need to use shampoo that has clarifying property, like Neutrogena clarifying shampoo, or I have a cheap option, that is Pantene Advanced Hair Care Solution in Lively Clean. So here is the shampoo. You don't need to use the shampoo every time when you wash your hair. Just make sure use it 15 days or once a month or twice a month according to your needs, because in winter our scalp, I mean, there are dandruffs on our scalp, and yeah, and it, I don't know, because of the dust, and I don't know, my scalp becomes so frizzy and oily and unmanageable in winter time. So I tend to use more frequently that clarifying shampoos, and other times I use normal moisturizing shampoos. And there is a thing that we don't apply oil on our scalp. I mean, I don't know, it's a trend or something like that, but please use oil, because if you have mild dandruff, then if you use oil, so this is the India Earth Red Onion Oil, and this is best oil. I mean, I've used to, this is my second purchase basically. So if you have mild dandruffs like me, like I don't have severe dandruff problems, so for mild dandruff I use this. I mean, I do a chumpy kind of thing, and then I use the next day my hair with this shampoo or my normal moisturizing shampoo, it doesn't matter, and my dandruff, I mean, it kind of goes away, and I don't feel the necessity, I mean, I don't feel dandruff on my scalp for two days. Yeah, 1 or 2 days I don't feel that there are dandruffs on my scalp. So before shampooing, use hair oil on your scalp. Just do a chumpy. Tell your mom or your grandma that make a chumpy for me, and they will do happily. And then you can use either your normal shampoo, and once in a month or twice a month you can use a clarifying shampoo. Okay, so yeah, this is all my points. These are the 6 points that you should follow in winter days for a better experience in winter time. And yeah, I think that's all for today. If you like this video and if you like my makeup, then let me know in the comments section, and I will make a video about this look, I mean just this eye look. Okay, so stay healthy, stay happy, and this is third wave kind of situation is here, and pandemic is increasing day by day. It's, I know, it's become gigantic in shape. So please wear mask and follow COVID, what does it call, follow the steps that can prevent you from having Omicron and COVID-19. Yeah, stay healthy and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of videos. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and families, and till then, take care and bye bye.